Hello everyone, Ginger here and welcome back to another demo, and today we are looking at some garden flowers. I have absolutely no idea what these are, by the way, but they were in my parents-in-law garden, and it's that time of year where some of their flowers are going over and some are not, and this one just caught my eye, so I took a few snapshots while I was there and I thought I would just turn this into just a little piece. It's about 9 inches by 9 inches square. I love, when it comes to flowers, I love mark making. I think you can be really expressive with how you move when you're holding a pastel, and that lends itself to flowers and petals and leaves, and in particular it gives energy to your painting. So that's what I did here, and I love the colours. I love really saturated colours anyway, you know me, so this one just absolutely took my fancy. So I suggest what you do is you sit down and you get a cup of tea and you just enjoy the process. For those of you that want to maybe have a go and follow along, obviously I've got the pastel selection of the pastels I used. You can see I've got a mixture there of new pastels, Mount Vision and Unison. Both the Mount Vision and Unison are the round ones, the thin square ones are the new pastels. When you're working with a lot of soft pastels, obviously you want to be using some hards to kind of get a little bit of definition in. The one square one, those of you that have been following a few of my other videos will know by now that that is one of the ones that I tend to use for my layer, my base layer, which always is a darks. And then this one, because I love how soft they are and how well they go down, I tend to rely heavily on my Blue Earth pastels. So that is the large rectangular dark kind of aubergine one. Pretty sure that other people have a different name for that. Eggplant, maybe. Eggplant, aubergine, pretty sure they're the same thing. But it's a beautiful colour. It's a dark violet blue, and it just is a great colour to go down first for your base layer. So those are the pastels I'm using. The reference photo is above. If you slow this video down to, well, 1.5 by, slow it down by 2. And if you're on YouTube, then you should get roughly round about real time. I think the total length of time for the actual piece ended up round about 37 minutes or so. So it's just a quick afternoon piece, but I love having fun with these sorts of colours and marks, so I hope you enjoy it too. Obviously, any questions, please leave me a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that alert button if you want to get notification when I next upload a video. Otherwise, I will see you all soon. Sit back and enjoy. Ta-ta for now.